Going to be looking today at putting a small shelf on the wall to mount my router next to the hub unit for my car charger, so that it can be on the wall a little tidier than it is now. And I'll be doing it using these GripIt fixings and mounting this little square unit on them on the wall so that I can put the router on and hopefully tidy up the whole appearance of the wires. For this next part, I have marked up my holes on the wall, levelled them up. I'm just going to drill them. This next bit could be a little noisy. I've also checked behind, there are no electric cables, nothing unexpected there, and the heating pipes are well over the side, out of the way. The two fittings fit into the wall. Putting in the screw tightens them in, it sends out the blades behind, then it starts to tighten and pull forward the fitting. And I've just tested that, that's nice and free. I'm going to brake now, get ready to put the fitting on the wall. Right, now if I was putting a different kind of shelf up, something that had a bracket, I'd put the bracket on the wall, I'd screw through into these, and that screwing action brings forward the mechanism inside, grips the back of the plasterboard and takes the weight. Because I'm using a different fitting that just hangs on screws, I've stuck a couple of washers in there just to tighten up the screws, bring the mechanism forward and open up the leaves. I'm just going to ease off now, while it's all tight in the wall, and I'm going to mount my little unit which sits there nice and snug. And I'll get everything back up on the wall and then have a look at the finished result. And in not very long at all, and nice and securely on the wall, I've got my little shelf unit. Now these units will take quite a bit of weight. I think it says these will take 71 kilograms, which is an awful lot, far more than the little shelf I put up. And in the past, I've used these for heavy shelf units, like the big glass unit below here, and I've used them for radiators, and they really are the bee's knees. Nice and easy to use, very strong. You can actually remove them if you have to by reversing the process. As you unscrew it, the fins behind close up and you can pull it out, fill the holes and move on if that's what you want to do. So there you are, that's it for GripIts. Now it took me longer to set that up, keep braking to film another part and then put it all together, than if I'd just gone in there, put up the shelf and walked away. Here's one of the little beasts for anyone that's not seen them, and you see those little metal blades there and they fold away, and when you actually screw it onto the wall they open up behind the plasterboard, grip the plasterboard, they pull forward and pinch the plasterboard, so you can use it on up to about 2mm deep there, down to about 9mm, and they're a wonderful bit of kit. Quicker to use than they are to explain.